Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to apply for the ICCR scholarship. This is a very straight to the point video, just strictly how to apply. Hopefully another video will talk about the benefit of the scholarship. We've already made like an Instagram live with someone that got the scholarship before, and I'll drop a link to that video somewhere in the description. So if you have any questions, that video could answer your question. But let's jump right into how to fill up the application form. The link to this would also be dropped in the description as well, so that you could access that as well if you have any question regarding the scholarship. I mean, the details here don't really matter. I mean, it matters for you, but just for my sake, uh, just going to. So yeah, if you're applying for the UG, you select UG, bachelor's is the same, postgraduate, master's, PhD, whatever, just select it. For this application, I'm applying for undergrad, right? It's a very tell them what day you were born. So yeah, you select a password that you like to use. Uh, Listen, guys, this is a very delicate question. If you read the call for applications, you would see that this scholarship is not eligible for anyone that's saying yes. If you select yes, according to what they said, that you're going to be automatically disqualified. I would suggest you select no. If you're in India, you should think twice when you're filling that particular form of part of the application. So that's it, guys. They would send you like an email. You have the login portal right there. You could just use the same details you used to log in immediately. So whatever password you selected initially, just use that same password. Remember, I'm applying for UG, and that's my year 2025, 2026. So that's it, guys. We're in, and let's get started. So here we need to fill up our personal details. The website is a little bit slow, ain't gonna lie. So whatever details you have here, fill them up. What details on your passport? So you've been up to date, the month, the year, what date is going to expire, what state was your passport issued, what was the place of birth, what country were you born. Just put that there straight up. Postal address, city, what's your mother's phone number, Do you study English in your secondary school? What level? You can select the higher. What's your score? Whatever your score. Did you write TOEFL? No. If you wrote TOEFL, you can write that. And yeah, you can write like your story. Basically, if you have a story to tell, just write your story here. So basically, listen guys, let me just show you guys how this works. Write an essay in English on any one of the following prompts. It should be original and written by a student themselves without any help or assistance from anybody else. If plagiarism is noted, the application will be rejected. The word limit of not more than 500 words should be strictly observed. It must be noted that the essay has to be only on one topic, else the application would not be considered. The essay can be written offline and pasted in the space below. So basically, try to write your essay on just one particular topic. If you need help with that, you can send me a message and I'll see how and if I can help you. So here now, what do you want to study? Do you want to do engineering? Do you want to do agriculture, animation, architecture, arts, humanities, social science, commerce, management, business, education, Indian arts and culture, mass communication, science and tech, social work, human rights? Listen, architecture is not really available for international students, so don't bother applying for that. You can select something that's related to what you did for your high school. So these are the choice of universities that are available in India. And from my experience, I have people that studied Andhra Pradesh, so I can select that. But if you need more information about the university, you can just come here. You can read the website, the courses available, whatever. But for me, I have like sufficient information to make that decision. Second choice, I have friends also at DTU. I don't need to go through this. I'm not really bothered about that. Select any program. And then third, I could select Gujarat. This is where I am right now. I have friends here. I have friends here. I can select any of them. So basically, if you need help with the application procedure or you need help with settling, you can just send a message and I'm going to help you guys for free. Don't worry about that. I got you. So if you've not filled up all the details yet, you won't be allowed to proceed to the next stage. Squeeze the access to fill up the third. I can also select Punjab University. I have no anyone there. Let's see. Yeah, Punjab University. Yeah, it's quite a popular place. So yeah, although personal details next to the education details. So yeah, we need to provide your grade X, which is like grade 10 in India. For Nigeria, you can provide your YX in both, or you can provide your junior YX if you have that. It's not really specific, uh, but usually they accept it generally in India. So yeah, what board name is it? YX? Is it some other board? What name of the university, the school that you wrote the exams at? What exams? What papers did you write at that university? What year? So what's the board name? You select that. What university? What program did you? What did you do there? If you just write that down. So here the details of any course in Indian universities which the scholar is currently attending or has attended in the past. This is optional. If you studied in India before, you can fill this up, but if you not, you can skip. So yeah, here we have another part of the application. You still your reference if you have any reference. So that's it, guys. If you know anyone in India, you can add that here, yes or no. You can say yes, it's up to you. Ever have you traveled to India in the past? You can say yes, whatever the case is for you. I don't really know if this would affect your application. I have no idea on that. But I would suggest you just say the truth. Your signature just upload. And also, I forgot to even say, in the first page, you also have to upload your picture, your profile picture as well. So please do not forget that. You see here, you have to upload your profile picture here, so don't forget to get this done before you submit the application. So here you have to upload documents. So you can upload your what's it called? Your NIN, and here you can upload your passport, international passport. First and second page of the passport, you can upload your WIC if you want. You can also upload your junior WIC as well. You can upload your SS1 results. You can upload your medical fitness. So there's a format for that. I would suggest you stick to this format. Download this format, take it to the doctor, get them to put in your details and sign and stamp here, and you can use it as well. English translation. If your document is not in English, you could just uh, translate to English and put them there, and also an evidence that you studied in English, like the language proficiency, and you can also add like a recommendation letter here, just or maybe your CV, just something that could support your application. So basically, I will just upload some random document just to occupy the space. And here it's only PDF that's accepted here. So please, you have to be careful. Make sure that you use Okay, so guys, for this part, you need to upload document that's less than 1 MB, otherwise it will not be accepted. It has to be less than 1 MB, otherwise it will not be accepted. Okay, if it's more than 1 MB, you can just search on Google compress PDF, something like that. I can compress it to PDF. Compress the PDF, sorry, to be 100 KB or lesser than it is right now. Just compress it and that's it. So usually when you create the account, they will send you a mail. I've just checked my mail and I received the mail as well on my email. Just basically an introduction, but it does not really contain your login details. But yeah, just an evidence that you've been able to register successfully. So once you're done uploading all documents, you tick these two boxes, and you could also go through your document just to make sure that there's no mistake in the entire application. You should put your picture here, and this is the detail. Just make sure there's no mistake here. If there's a mistake, you can just take it down and change it real quick. So yeah, we're gonna go submit my application right now. So yeah, it's been registered successful and has been submitted. So that's it, guys. If you have any question regarding how to apply for any help applying to this application, just send me a message on WhatsApp, and my team and I would see if we can help you. Uh, Any other question you have regarding India or the scholarship application or how to apply to India, you could also comment in the comment section below, or you could just send me a message on WhatsApp or Instagram, and I'll do my best to reply you immediately. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, like and share with your friends as well. See you in the next video.